Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Asri Dwi Andriani, and together with my colleague from Putra Indonesia University from Indonesia, I'm honored to present our study entitled From Ritual to Reality: Heritage Communication Strategies in Cianjur Cultural Plaza. This research explores how traditional rituals are spatially and symbolically transformed into engagement public experience. Yeah, Cianjur is a regency located in West Java Province, Indonesia, known as one of the cultural heartland of the Sundanese people. The region cultural identity rests upon the three heritage pillars: Ngaos, which represent a spiritual devotion through Quranic recitation; Mamaos, which embodies poetic singing and oral wisdom; and the last one, Maenpo, the traditional material art symbolizing physical discipline and ethical strength. This tradition together form the triadic soul of Cianjur: spiritual, artistic, and psychical. Yet, in the face of modernization, they risk fading from daily life. The central question addressed is: how can ritual heritage be translated into engaging modern public experience? We argue that spatial design, when grounded in cultural communication, can serve as a bridge between ritual and reality, preserving local wisdom while engaging the modern public. And the objective of this research are: the first one is analyze communication strategies embedded in Cianjur Cultural Plaza, spatial design. And the last one is examine how symbolic interaction fosters a cultural engagement. This research is grounded in symbolic interactionism, a theory originally developed by George Herbert Mead and later formalized by Herbert Blumer in the early 20th century. The theory is built on the three basic assumptions. The first one is human act toward things based on the meaning those things have for them. The second one is this meaning arise out of social interaction. And the last one is meaning are modified through an interpretive process as individuals engage with their environment. In this context of this study, these assumptions guide our understanding of how people interact with architectural symbols, how meaning is negotiated in cultural space, and how heritage is continually reconstructed through public participation. Thus, architecture become a communicative medium, a social text where heritage is read, interpreted, and lived. And the methodology we employ: a qualitative case study method focusing on the Cianjur Cultural Plaza as our unit of analysis. Data were collected over 1 year through direct observation, in-depth interviews with local stakeholders, and document analysis. Credibility was ensured through source triangulation, and data were processed using the Mills and Habermas interactive model, like involving reduction, display, and conclusion drawing. This allows us to capture both the symbolic and experiential dimension of the plaza. So, spatial symbolism ngawas. Ngaos or Quranic recitation is spatial expressed through geometric motifs inspired by Arabical calligraphy, arched gateway resembling player space, and like oriental layout symboling divine guidance. The plaza design encourage visitors to move in ways to evoke reflection and humility, turning physical pathway into a metaphorical journey of faith. And the second one is Mamaos. The Mamaos tradition, centered of poetry and melodic storytelling, is represented through amphitheater form the curved acoustic corridors. Their structures transform oral performance into spatial rhythm, allowing voice to resonate communality. Sound, architecture, and movement together form a living dialogue between performer, listener, and space. And the second one, the last one is mindful. The Cianjur martial art is symbolically embedded in open plaza and symmetrical pathway. The design reflects Mindpo's moral code, discipline, balance, and mutual respect. As people move through these open arenas, their bodies unconsciously mirror the principles of Mindpo, turning movement into a form of cultural expression. This finding we analyze using symbolic interactionism metric comprising three analytical dimensions. The first one is symbolic meaning. Architectural form act as cultural sign that encode spiritual, artistic, and psychical value. The second one is social interaction. Public participation in ritual and even continuously redefine the meaning of tradition. And the last one is self and society. Shared spatial experiences reinforce cultural identity and collective pride. Through this process, space becomes not just a backdrop, but an actor in the cultural conversation. Yeah, this is the current finding. We have three case finding. The first one is cross-generational learning. The plaza effectively promotes cross-generational learning, like family join weekly ngaos, recitation in the open space, youth reinterpret Mamao song with modern instrument, and the children learn mindpot through playful demonstration. Heritage knowledge thus flows naturally across generation, sustained not by formal teaching, but shared experience and embodiment. The Kaifeng 2 is modernized ritual preserve money. Ritual have been modernized without losing their essence. Digital calligraphy projection accompanying Mamao's Nike use multimedia storytelling and Mindpo showcase incorporate cinematic soundscape. This creative intervention illustrates how technology can amplify tradition, not erase it, turning sacred ritual into living cultural dialogue. And the last finding is inclusive social experiencing. Tradition in the plaza has evolved into a shared, inclusive social experience. Residents, visitors, and tourists participate together in cultural festival, bridging age, class, and origin. The plaza becomes a dialogic arena where local wisdom meets global curiosity, proving that heritage we open to the public can unite rather than divide it. And this is from Death Insight. We propose the spatial symbolic interaction model. This model includes three sequential yet cycle stages. The first one is spatial symbolization. Cultural value include in design or and ornament, and then social interaction when community engage and collective participation. So they are have a meaning reconstruction, reinterpretation of tradition within modern contexts. To the cycle, space itself become a symbolic actor, communicating, engaging, and transforming heritage through lived experience. So, in conclusion, this study demonstrates that while design cultural space function as communicators of heritage, the Cianjur Cultural Plaza exemplifies how spatial storytelling bridges the past and the present, turning intangible ritual into tangible participatory experience. The spatial symbolic interaction model over both a theoretical contribution to communication study and a practical framework from heritage-based urban design. That's all for me. Thank you very much for your attention. Um, I will stop, sir. That's all. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.